So students, will solve A6 now. So students, these are the answers for the mental ability of A6, right? So we are going to solve A6. So here first one is D. So we have to check the opposite letter. A opposite is Z. If you write in reverse, A B C D you write in normal order and Z Y in reverse. A opposite Z, B opposite Y, C opposite X, D opposite should be W, not U. So that is why wrong. So next is second one is D, third one is you take it as C and F, D, okay, because there are three lines here also, here also, here also three lines are there, but in L there are two lines. And one more logic, you can write continuously. C you can write continuously, L you can write continuously, L not F. So that is why C and D both can be ordered. So D is here option C, okay, that is different. So these are the answer for 5th and 6th, 7th, 8th answers. Next is 9, 10, 11 and 12 answer. 13, 14, 15, 16 answers. Next is 17 answer. 18, 19, 20 answers. Then 21 is B, 22 is A, 23 is B, 24 is B. 25 is D, next 26, 27, 28. After that 29 here D, 30 is B, 31 is A, 32 is C, and 33 is A, 34 is A, 35 is B, 36 is D. Next 37 is D, 38 is A, 39 is C, 40 is C. These are the answers for mental ability. So students, see here 41 question is very easy. So what is the question? A piece of rope 320 meter long broke into two pieces. The difference between the piece is 45 meter, longer piece is. So here if you take longer piece, okay, so there is one long rope is there 320 meter. Longer piece if you take X, smaller piece will be what? X minus 45, right? Longer piece, this is the longer piece X. Smaller piece will be X minus 45, that is 45 meter smaller. So longer piece we want to find. So longer piece if you want to find, what we have to do? Both if you add it is 320 meter. So X plus X minus 45 if you do it is 320 meter. So X plus X is 2X, and then 45 if you take that side it will add. So 2X is equal to 320 plus 45. It will be how much? That is 365 meter. Now 2X is 365. X will be, we have to divide with 2. So 365 divided by 2 will be how much? That is answer. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, right? 2 2s are 4 and 1 will be remaining point, 2 5s are 10. So 182.5 meter will be the answer. This is how you have to do. Understood? So see here students, you can go with options also. What you can do? You can go with options also in 41. So how should you do with options? That is, if you take 132, alright, so 132 into 2, double, 2 pieces are there. So it should be what? That is the longer piece. So double it and minus 45. You should get 320 meter. So here, if you double 132 into 2, it will be how much? That is 265, right? So 265 minus 45 if you do, it will not come 320. That is already less. So here if you double it, it should be, it will be how much? 186, 182, right? So 182 means it is how much double? Okay, so that is 300 it will be. So if you double, it will come 365, and minus 45 if you do, you will get how much? 320. So that is the answer, right? Here 320 you got. So you can go with options like this. Understood? So student, second question 42, right? So 4 hectometer. Hecto means already we know kilo, hecto, right? So that already you know, kilo, hecto, deca and meter. So kilo means 1000, hecto means 100, right? So hectometer means 100. So 4 into 100, 400 it will be, okay? So 400 hecto means 400, so 400 meter is the answer. Option is option A here, okay? Understood? So students, let us see 43. So what is 43 question? That is, perimeter of equilateral triangle is 120 centimeter. Find its side. So equilateral triangle, equi means equal. All the sides are same. That is equal. All the sides are same. That is equal. Okay. So all the sides are same means perimeter will be, that is addition. So how many times we have to add? 3 times. 3 sides means 3 times. So 3 times into side. So that is 120. So one side will be divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. So it will be 40 centimeter. Right? Or you can go with option. So that is all the sides same of a triangle means 3. So 43 is 120. So that is the answer. You can go with options also. Understood? So see here. Okay, let's go next. Okay. So here this is 40 meter because equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides will be equal. Okay. Next, find the blank. Fill in the blank. So this we have to add it. So this means D means 500, C means 100. So 600, 700, 800. 3 C are there. So 300 plus 500, 800. This is XL means 40. So 40 plus 5, 45, right? So this is 800, 845. So if you add 800 plus 45, 845. So 845 means this is, we write it as DCC XLV. Okay, always you should first convert it into number and then add, then convert it into numeral. That is what? Roman number. Okay, otherwise you may get confused. Understand? So this is how you have to do. Next is 45. What is the highest common multiple of 15 and 25? So we know lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple means LCM, right? So lowest common multiple means LCM. So we can never find highest because you know what? So if you keep on multiplying here, 5 is there. If you keep on multiplying with 9, you will get answer 45. If you multiply with how much? 12, you will get 60. Like this you can keep on multiplying with any number. You will get number higher and higher. Highest number. You cannot find highest number because you will multiply with bigger number. If you multiply with 125, if you multiply with 530, if you multiply with 1045, again and again what will happen? Bigger and bigger number will come. So multiples never end. So we cannot find highest. We cannot find highest.
Only we can find
yes, we cannot find highest multiple. So that is why there is no highest common multiple. We can only find lowest, LCM. We can only find lowest. So that is why cannot be determined. Understand? Yes? Yes. Okay, so next is 46, right? So 46 question is what? That is 12 plus 4 minus 2 and into 19 minus 9 into 2 is that. So first we have to solve the bracket, right? So 12 plus 4 here. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. You will get 14 answer.
14.
Here 19 minus 9 is how much? 10 here, right? So you will get 10. 10 into 2. So here 14 2s is how much? 14 2s are 28. 28 10s is 280 answer, right? 280 answer will come. Understood? Okay students, so 47 question. What is the question here? If you see, a bike running at 60 km per hour, time to cover 900 meters is the question, right? Yes? So here you can go easy way. How? 60 km per hour means how much? Per hour means 60 minutes. 60 km 60 minutes. 1 kilometer 1 minute, right? Yes? 1 kilometer means how many meters here? So that is 1000 meter in 1 minute means how many seconds? Yes? 60 minutes, huh? Yes? 60 minutes. 900 meter will be how many minutes? How many seconds? that is seconds, this is
40.
60
So
seconds,
seconds. So
yes,
60
60 seconds.
seconds.
You cross multiply means you will get the answer, that is 60 into 900 divided by 1000. This way you can do, that is
So 0
it will
0
be
cancel.
54, yes, 54 seconds. Here two zeros, here two zeros, here one zero, here one zero, 6 nines are 54 seconds. You can do this way also, or one more method, right? What will be the one more method? Yes, so 60 kilometer is there, 60 kilometer per hour. How do we convert it into meter? 60 into how much? 18 by, yes,
18 by
or 5 by 18, yes. So kilometer per hour to meter per second, right? So it will be 5 by
5 by
18, yes, it will be in meter per second. Okay, so distance is given how much? This is the speed now, yes, this is the speed in meter per second. So distance is how much? That is 900 meter. Now meter, and you can do it. So that is time. If you want to find distance by speed, distance is how much? 900 divided by speed is 60 into 5 by 18. This if you have to take reciprocal, so 900 into how much? 60 will come here, so 18 by 5. Now it will be cancellation, it will little difficult, so that is why you do the first method. This is easy, right? Yes. Okay, so here 1 0 1 0 cancel. Now here 5 how many is? So 18 5s are, right? Now you have to cancel with 6, right? So 6 how many is? 6 3s are 18, right? So 3 18s are is how much? It is 54. So both you will get 54 only. You do first method, that is little easier. Okay, understand? Got it? Okay, next 48 question is also little tricky. So what is the question? Profit earned when an article sold at 950 rupees is 14 times the loss when sold at 350 rupees. Find the cost price is the question. So 48, right? How do we do 48 now? Yes. So see here 48 question. Okay. So if you see, so profit earned when sold at 950 rupees. So here let us take cost price will be same in both case, right? So when it is sold at, cost price we have to find it. When it is sold at 950, the profit is what? 14 times the loss. So 14 times the loss here, right? 14 times. And when it is sold at 350, loss will be there, right? So let us take loss here 350 rupees. Okay, so when it is sold at 350 rupees, so cost price will be there. So how do we find that? Yes, how do we find the cost price when it is profit? Yes. Cost price will be, so students listen here, 48 question. So what is the question here? Profit earned when sold at 950 is 14 times loss when sold at 350. So here if you take x rupees as the cost of a pen, it is sold at 950 rupees, that is a profit. If you sold at 350 rupees, that is a loss, right? So how do you find the profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. So 950 minus x is the cost price. And when it is sold at loss, how do you find? Cost price minus selling price, 350, x minus 350. So it is 14 times. How many times? It is 14 times of the loss, right? So it is 14 times we have written. So this equation we have to solve it. Understand? Yes. So once again students, I will write in clear. Okay. So here there is one pen. Let's take one pen. Okay. So you have taken, you don't know what price you have taken, but you know you are selling at 950 rupees and 350 rupees. When you sell at 950, there is a profit. When you sell at 350 rupees, there is a loss. Okay, yes. So how do you find the profit? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 950, 950 minus x. Okay na. Loss, how do you find? Cost price minus selling price. So x minus 350, x minus 350, cost price is x, 350, so x minus 350. Now they have told profit is 14 times loss. Profit is 14 times loss. So profit is 950 minus x, loss is 14 times. So 14 times means 14 into. So loss is x minus 350. Understood this much? Very easy. So now we have to solve it. Okay, so let us solve it. It may be little complicated for you. So 950 minus x ಇದೆಯಾ is equal to 14x ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ, ಹೌದಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್. ಸೊ 14x minus 14 into 350 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 950 minus x is equal to 14x minus is how much? 14 into 350 will be how much? Yes. So here it will be 4900. Now you have to separate x. Okay, if you separate x, right, this x if you take that side and this you take that side. Okay, so it will be how much? That is 14 minus x will become 14x plus x, and this side if you take minus, that will be add 950 plus 4900. Okay, so if you add them and divide with 15, so x will be, so add it, it will be how much? 4900 plus 950. So this is 15x, 14 plus 1 is 15x is how much? 5850. How much? 5850. Then you have to divide with 15. Okay, so that is how x is equal to 5850 divided by 15. Okay, how much? So 5850 divided by 15, you will get 390. How much? 390. Okay, so see here 48 question. This is very difficult. You don't do this method. We'll go with options. What we will do? We'll go with options. Okay na. So if you consider 450 is the answer, it should become 4. If you minus 950 here, so if you minus 950, what is the profit? Yes, 950 if you sell and 350, here profit is how much? 500. Here 100. So it is not 14 times. 100 and 500, it is 5 times. It is how many times? 5 times. Not possible, right? So that is why A is not the answer. If you go with 950 here and here 350, it is how much? Profit is, yes, that is if you less 30 from 500, it will be 470. Here how much? It is 130. It is not possible. So here if you consider 950 and here 350, it is how much? Here 40, right? So here 40 is the loss, and here how much? Okay, so see here if you go with option D, so what is the option? 390. So if you sell at 350, 40 rupees is the loss, less 40 rupees less. If you sell as 950, if you minus 950 and 350, you will get 560. Answer. It is how many times? So 560 divided by 40, 0 0 cancel and 14 will come answer. So it is 14 times. So that is why answer is option D here. Better you go with options. Yes, this is very easy. Option D is the answer. Okay. Understand? So now let us do 40. What?
22 different options.
Okay. Yes. So next let us go to 49. So we know product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 58 and one is 28. Find the other. So we know how to find the other number, right? So product of other number, how do you find other number? That is, yes, tell me. Other number is equal to product of HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM means product divided by one number, right? Yes. So HCF into LCM, product is 588 divided by other number is 28. So you just have to divide them two and you will get answer 21, right? 20, how much? 21 answer, right? So here you can divide it. So that is 21 2s is how much? 28 2s are 56. 28 2s is 56. 2 will be remaining. 28 1s are 21. So 28 1s are 28. So that is 21 answer, option A here. Okay. So see here 50 question. 50 question. What is the question? Shampoo bottle is sold at 20 rupees per bottle. So selling price sold at what? Selling price is 20 rupees per bottle. One bottle 20 rupees. So they are selling 10 dozen. So 10 dozen. 10 dozen means how much? Yes, 120. That is 1 dozen means 12. So total how much it will be? Yes. So 20 into 10 into 12. 20 tens are 200. 200 12s are 12 2s are 12 2s are 24. 2400 will be the answer. Right? So that is 10 dozen. 10 dozen. 1 dozen means 12. So that is why selling price is that. Understood? So here cost price is how much? Cost price, that is the buy, is 180 rupees. 180 rupees. For 10 dozen it will be how much? 1800. Right? So now how do we find the profit? That is selling price minus cost price. So 2400 minus 1800. And how much answer? 600. Option is option A here. Understood? So here per dozen cost is given. Cost is 180 rupees per dozen. So 10 dozen is 1800 cost price. Now selling, sold at 20 rupees per bottle. Per bottle means one bottle. So 20 rupees one bottle. So there are how many bottles? 10 dozen bottle. So 10 dozen means 1 dozen means 12. So you multiply with 12 here. So 20 into 10 into 12. That is how much? 120 bottles. 120 into 20 is 2400. So if you minus, you will get the answer 600. Understood? So see here students, 50 question. What is the question? 825.372 minus 925.543 plus 950 plus 42 point something is there, like that. So here first we cannot do minus. 825 minus 925. It would be difficult. It will come in minus. So what we will do, we will first add. So 825 plus whatever is there, that is 950 point something is there, 942. We will add them. We will first add them all. So answer will be 1818.437. Now you minus from that 925. So if you minus 925.543, answer will be 892.894. So option is option A here. Got it? Very easy. So see here students. So 51 is completed, 52 now, right? Okay. So 52 is very easy. Which of the following statement is correct? 1 is prime number. No, 1 is not prime. 1 is factor of all the numbers. Yes, it is correct. 5 is smallest odd prime number. No, smallest odd prime number is 3. Right? So prime numbers have maximum of 1 factor. No, they have how many factors? 2 factors. So this is also wrong. So which is correct? This is also wrong. B is correct. Only B is correct. Okay. So 1 is factor of all the numbers. B is only correct. Okay. So now 53 question. Very easy, right? What is the question here? So train leaves at 9:15 p.m. takes 5 hours 20 minutes to reach. Arrival time is, so 9:15 p.m. plus 5 hours 20 minutes. So if you add, it will be 14 hours 35 minutes. So which option has 35 minutes? Option A has 35 minutes. That is the answer. Or you can take it as what? 2:35 a.m. it will be, right? Understand? So PM will change to AM. That is also you can do with options also. Option A is the answer. Understood? Yes. So 54 is what question? So find the smallest to be multiplied with 3 by 4 to get 7. So go with options. What you have to do? You have to go with options. Okay. So 54. So we have to multiply with what? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 we have to multiply with. So option A, what? 3 by 4 into 4 by 7. If you multiply, how much answer you will get? 4 4 cancel here. So 3 by 7 you will get, not A. Now if you go with option B, 3 by 4 into 28 by 3. So this 3 cancel. Now 4, how many is 4 sevens are 28? You will get 7 answer. That is the answer, option B. Here answer should be 7, right? Option B is the answer here, right?
Yes, sir.
Go with
Option
options. Yes, very good. So see here, 55
Sir,
question.
I'm not feeling well. I have stomach pain. Can I give the
Okay,
class, sir?
okay, fine. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. Descending means decreasing order, right? So that is very easy. Directly all the what numerators are same, denominators are same. So directly we can add descending order. Descending means decreasing. So already this is only the decreasing order, right? Yeah. So that is 20 by 14 and 9 by 40, then 1 by 40, right? So that is the answer, option directly that same. So option is option A here, right? Okay, good. That is correct. Now let us go to 56 question, students. See here, in a school 3/5 of the children are boys and the number of girls are 800. The number of boys is. So here how should you do? Listen here. So here boys plus girls both will be what in the school, right? So boys are 3/5, right? From remaining total is girls will be how much? From 3, from 5 total 3 are girls, remaining will be boys, that is 3 are boys, girls will be from 5 2 will be there, right? From 5, understand? That is you minus it. So that is 3 minus 5 minus 3, that will be 2 by 5. Total are 5, right? Here, yes. So total are 5 here. So from 5 3 are boys, so girls will be 5 minus 3, that is 2. So that is 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So 2 will be girls. Yes, yes, very easy. Yes, yes, correct. So girls are 800. So girls means 2 by 5. 2 are what? Girls. 2 are girls here. Yes, here 2 are girls. 2 by 5 means 2 are girls. So 2 is 800. Now boys are what? 3. Boys are 3. Right? So 3 will be question mark. You cross multiply, you will get the answer. Right? That is 3 and here divide with 2. Right? So what will be the answer here? That is 800 into 3 divided by 2. Yes. So here, so 2 you cancel it out. That is 2 4s are 8. So 400. 400 3s is 1200. Answer option C here. Okay. Very easy. Understood? Yes. So 57 is I think easy question, right? Yes. So here it is little confusing if you see. So we have to, how many parts of the given figure should be shaded to represent 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is there, right? Total how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 are there, right? So to represent 2 by 5 we have to make it 10 now. So to make it 10, how much we have to multiply? 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Yes. So now out of 10 how many you have to color? You have to color 4. You have to color how many? 4. So answer will be option A here, right? That is, we have to find the equivalent fraction by multiplying. We have to find the equivalent fraction by multiplying. So 4 we have to color. Understood? So see here 58 question. Okay. So 58 is, which of the following pair of angles is not complementary? Not complementary means it should not be complementary means 90. Not means it should not be 90. So A is 45 45, 90 here, and B is 60 plus 30, 90 here, and 40 plus 50 is 90 here, 80 plus 20 is not 90, 100. So that is why that is not, right? Okay, good. That is very easy. Now should we go next 59? Yes. 59 question. So what is it? Graph shows profit in rupees in million rupees. Okay. So which has less profit? Which here has less profit? This, right? So 1990. Directly option A. Right? Very easy. Okay. Now 60 should we go? Okay, 60. So which sum of place values of 4 and 8 in this numbers? right? So
Sir,
4 and 8.
8,400 and
Huh. So
8,400
735421. Place value is how much? Yes. Place value of 4 is how much? 4 is in 400 place, so 400. And here 54298,360. Here place value of 8. Place value of what? 8. 8 is in 8000 place. So right? So 400 plus 800, 8000 will be 8400. Option is option A here, right? So first we have to take 4 and then we have to take 8 because it is respectively. Understand? Don't be confused. Got it? Mark the answers for English or directly mark. This is the passage 1. So answers are C, C, D, C, A. C, C, D, C and A. Okay, these are the answers. So see here, passage 2 answers. What are the passage 2 answers now? Here A, B, A, B, A, right? A, B, A, B, A. Okay. So now let's go to passage 3. Okay. So what are the answers for passage 3, students? Here B, B, C, C, B, right? B, B, C, C, B, right? B, B,
Yes, sir.
C, C and B. Okay, these are the answers. Now passage 4 answers. What are the passage 4 answers? Yes, B, 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 A, right? B, 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 A. B, B and here B, B and A. These are the answers, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So everyone got it right. So practice once again. Understand? So you have to little bit maths was little tough. 2 to 3 questions. If you go with options, it will be easy only. Okay. Okay. Good.